Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to manage your company backups on Tally Drive using the Tally Drive Management Report in Tally Prime. This is your one-stop dashboard to view, organize, and control all Tally Drive data. You can track storage usage, check backup details, and perform other important actions, all from one place. In this video, we will cover viewing backup details, downloading backups to a local drive for restoration, deleting backups to free up space, resending recovery keys for password-protected backups, and managing Tally Drive across multiple licenses. Let's begin. To open the Tally Drive Management Report, press Alt-Y, Backup and Restore, Manage Tally Drive. Enter your Tally.net ID and password. The top section of the report shows key information about your Tally.net account and storage usage. This includes Tally.net user, the email ID you use to log in, serial number of the license, account ID, the administrator ID for your Tally.net ID, available storage, the total Tally Drive space remaining for your use. When multiple Tally.net users are backing up data to the same license, you will see a breakdown of who is using the storage. Used by current user shows the space consumed by the currently logged in Tally.net ID. Used by another user shows the storage used by other Tally.net IDs linked to the same license. This helps you identify how much space is being used by backups from other users. You will also see storage validity, which is the expiry date of your Tally Drive storage. This date is based on either your TSS validity or any extended storage you have purchased. Note that users with a valid TSS get free storage, and the validity of the storage matches their TSS validity. If you have extended the storage validity date may differ from the TSS validity. The main section lists your company backup details. For each backup, you can see the company name and number, the date and time of last backup, compressed backup size, and the Tally.net ID of the user who created it. To view whether a backup is password protected or not, press F12 and enable the option Show if backup password is enabled. Once enabled, you will see a column in the report showing whether the backup has a backup password or not. Apart from viewing your Tally Drive details and backups, you can also take certain actions from the Tally Drive Management Report. Let us see how to download backup from Tally Drive. You can download the backup files from Tally Drive to your local drive and restore them as needed. You can select one or multiple backups using the space bar and press F9 to download. Or press Alt F9 to download all backups. Press C to configure the download data path for the current download if needed. By default, the download path is set to your company data folder. Press D to download the backups from Tally Drive to your local drive. Once downloaded, the data will be stored in the Downloads folder created automatically at the configured data path. You can restore it as and when required. Now, let us see how to delete backup from Tally Drive. This is useful for deleting unwanted backups to manage your storage better. Note that only users with the delete rights on Tally Drive can perform this action. Otherwise, the delete button will appear grayed out. Select one or more backups and press Alt-D to delete. You will be prompted with details of the backup size that will be deleted. Press Y or click Yes to confirm the deletion. Note that this action is permanent and removes all backup versions for the selected company. Therefore, TallyPrime prompts you again to reconfirm the deletion. Press Y or click Yes to confirm the deletion. Once deleted, the data can never be recovered. For password-protected backups, you can resend the recovery key to one or more email addresses. This is helpful when the key is lost or you want to send the recovery key to one or more new email addresses. Note that each resend generates a new key. However, all previous keys remain valid until the password changes. This recovery key acts as a secondary password and can be used for restoring encrypted backups in case you forget the backup password. Select the required backup and press F8 to resend recovery key. Enter the backup password and one or more email addresses. The recovery key will be sent to the specified emails. Note that you can also extend your Tally Drive storage and manage Tally Drive user rights from this report. To extend storage, press F6. And to manage user rights, press F7. You will be redirected to the Tally Solutions customer portal to complete the activity. If your Tally.net ID is linked to multiple licenses with Tally Drive services enabled, you can easily switch between them from the Tally.net account report. This allows you to view and manage backups, monitor storage usage, and perform actions like downloading or deleting data for each license, all from a single interface. This is especially useful if you manage multiple businesses, branches, or clients tied to your Tally.net ID. Log in to the Tally Drive Management Report using the Tally.net ID linked to multiple licenses. Since the ID is linked to multiple licenses, the Tally.net account report will appear. Here, you will see a list of licenses along with details such as site ID. Under serial number, you can see the list of licenses the user has access to, with current referring to the license currently in use. You can also see the product type, available storage, and the total storage of each license. Select the required license and press Enter to open the Tally Drive Management Report. Press Escape to return to the Tally.net account report. This feature makes it simple and efficient to manage backups across all the TallyPrime licenses you have access to. As you saw, the Tally Drive Management Report helps you stay in control of your company data backup stored in Tally Drive. From viewing and managing backups to downloading files and deleting, the Tally Drive Management Report gives you complete control over your backups. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.